Okay, we're going to go over the controls here. Relatively simple. We'll start up here, actually, I suppose, simply because this is your readout. This is going to be your y-axis readout. So you're always going to have a 0 point. You go to wherever you need to go to. I mean, if you want 5.50, that's where you lock it, right? So I can't go any further. I can go x-axis, but I can't go any further. That locks everything. Same thing the other direction. If you want to go 0.95, I'm going to lock it here. You can't go either way, but you can move y-axis. Very, very simple. There's a green button right here. This also is a 0. So if you'll watch right there, 17.37. So if you're working way down there, you can zero out from right here as well. Or this is a folding table. So in transit, if you want to hit both, this stops it while it's in transit so that it doesn't, nothing gets damaged. Right side's always going to be your saw. So this is going to operate your saws. This is your on button. This is your up and down. That's going to put it into place. Opposite side, this is going to be your router. Push down and let it go down, and that's when you start making your route. It has your actual lasers right here that I like to use as well instead of sometimes using the digital to read out, so you can turn them on. There's going to be one on the blades, one on the saw, and 4 over here, so you can use those. This is just your saw. This is vacuum only. It'll obviously always come on when you start it, but if you make a mess, you can still turn it out. I have this guy used to turn it out. It's just in there easily. That's a kill switch in case you have a problem. Straight down. Twisting to the right turns it back on. So essentially you've got left, right hold downs. You've got right side for your saw, left sides for your milling units, lasers. And